We were a Ford family. My dad always had Broncos, so we always grew up in, I'm all like, oh, we grew up in the backseat of a Bronco. And I think that's a little bit too where Ford kind of came to us because they knew that about what we do. We love our Broncos. So this year for the Sema show, we were asked to build this 1968 Ford Bronco. Of course, when they came to us and asked us to build a Bronco, we were super excited about it. When we met with Jay, we went down to his garage and we really sat there and just talked to him about what is important. He's very much about things looking original. This is the new GT500 motor, right? And basically when it came to us, it was oh, there's two of them that exist. Oh, awesome. That was probably the main focus was the motor, because that was what Ford was coming out with, and that was their big thing. And Ford wanted to show, and Sema wanted to show, how the new technology works with all the classic. So they wanted it to look like a concept vehicle when they were doing it that came from 1968. So this grille is supposed to be like that. The actual grille of this is 3D printed as well. So the center is 3D printed. My sister actually reshaped all of the bumpers and redesigned them. She wanted to keep a classic look on the actual bumper, but she wanted to be more sleek and refined and stuff. So yeah, she made all the bumpers and everything. On the suspension, we were asked to do a complete ground up, but we only had 2 months to build the car. Sema came and they said, oh, Kincer Chassis said that they can help, and they said, do you guys want to do that? And we said yes. So Kincer built the chassis. They did everything. The motor got sent to them. When they finished it, we were already working on the body because we had the original vehicle. Willwood supplied all the brakes on it, and then we had to work with Detroit steel wheels on the wheels, and then BFG, we wanted to make sure we kept that classic style tires. And so we have all those different aspects of the build, but it was pretty amazing. We added the amp power steps to it because he wanted something that was still easy to get in and out of and not pull on it. The interior, we had Rogelio Upholstery, which is a local upholstery shop to us, redid all the door panels and trim, and then they covered all of the seats and everything. Dash is pretty simple, and we just wanted to tie in the seats with the leather wrap dash on the top. So we wanted to keep it, like I said, as neat and clean as possible. Like I said, we kept most of the things pretty simple on the Bronco. We didn't want to take away from what it was.